Welcome back to Travel with Damal Consult. If you've ever dreamed of exploring Europe but aren't sure where to start, this video is your ultimate travel guide. We're counting down the best cities in Europe for first-time travelers in 2026, from breathtaking architecture and cozy cafes to hidden gems that will make your first European adventure truly unforgettable. But before we dive in, take a second to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming travel videos. And if you've already traveled to Europe before, drop your favorite city in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experience. Now, pack your virtual bags and let's explore Europe's most magical cities for first-time travelers in 2026. Paris, France, the city of light and endless romance. Paris, the city that needs no introduction. For many travelers, Paris is where the European dream begins. Whether you're sipping espresso in a charming cafe or standing beneath the Eiffel Tower as it sparkles at night, the magic of Paris is undeniable. As a first-time traveler, Paris gives you the perfect blend of culture, history, and elegance. You can start your journey at the Louvre Museum, home to masterpieces like the Mona Lisa, and then stroll through the cobblestone streets of Montmartre, where artists still paint in open-air studios. Don't forget to walk along the Seine River or take a scenic boat cruise. It's one of the best ways to see Paris's famous landmarks all at once. And of course, you can't leave without tasting freshly baked croissants, macarons, and French cheese at a local boulangerie. What makes Paris ideal for first-time visitors is how easy it is to navigate. With its efficient metro system and countless English-friendly signs, you'll feel comfortable getting around, even if you don't speak French. Plus, every corner of Paris feels like a movie scene waiting to happen. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to hit like and let's know in the comments. Is Paris already on your travel list for 2026? Rome, Italy, the eternal city. Next up is Rome, a living museum where ancient history meets modern Italian life. As one of Europe's most iconic cities, Rome is a dream destination for travelers who love culture, food, and timeless beauty. For first-time visitors, Rome offers an unforgettable mix of history and flavor. Imagine walking through the ruins of the Roman Forum, standing in the Colosseum where gladiators once fought, and throwing a coin into the Trevi Fountain to make a wish, all in one day. Rome is also a paradise for food lovers. Every street is lined with cozy trattorias serving homemade pasta, wood-fired pizza and creamy gelato. Be sure to try authentic carbonara and tiramisu. Both were born in Italy. But Rome isn't just about sightseeing, it's about experiencing life at a slower pace. Sit at an outdoor cafe in Piazza Navona, order an espresso, and simply watch the world go by. The warm atmosphere and friendly locals make it perfect for travelers visiting Europe for the first time. Rome's central location in Italy also makes it easy to connect to other beautiful cities like Florence, Venice, or Naples by train, so you can extend your adventure easily. Before we move on, don't forget to subscribe if you love discovering new destinations. We post new travel inspiration videos every week to help you plan your dream trip. 3. Amsterdam, Netherlands, the city of canals and culture. If your dream European trip includes scenic canals, cycling through charming streets, and exploring world-class museums, Amsterdam is the city for you. Amsterdam is one of Europe's most tourist-friendly cities, clean, compact, and easy to explore. First-time travelers fall in love with its laid-back vibe and picture-perfect beauty. You can spend your days biking through narrow cobblestone streets, taking a canal cruise, or exploring art museums like the Van Gogh Museum and Rijksmuseum. What makes Amsterdam so special is its unique mix of history and modern culture. You can visit Anne Frank's house for a moving reminder of the past, or experience the colorful tulip markets and trendy cafes that bring the city to life today. Foodies will also love Amsterdam. Try traditional Dutch pancakes, stroopwafels, and fresh herring from street vendors. The locals are friendly, and most speak English fluently, making it one of the easiest European cities for new travelers to navigate. Whether you're watching boats glide through the canals or admiring windmills on the outskirts, Amsterdam is pure charm in every season. If you're loving these travel ideas so far, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with your travel buddy. You never know, you might end up planning your first European adventure together. 4. Barcelona, Spain, where culture meets the sea. Barcelona is the kind of city that captures your heart from the moment you arrive. It's vibrant, colorful, and full of energy. A perfect destination for first-time travelers who want to experience both cultural depth and sunny beaches. At the heart of Barcelona is the legendary architect Antoni Gaudí, whose masterpieces make the city unlike anywhere else in Europe. Start your journey at La Sagrada Familia, a breathtaking basilica that has been under construction for over 140 years. Then wander through Park Güell, where whimsical mosaics and surreal designs create a world straight out of a dream. Beyond architecture, Barcelona is a feast for the senses. Walk down La Rambla, the famous boulevard lined with shops, cafes, and street performers. Explore the Gothic Quarter, where medieval alleys hide tapas bars and local markets. And when the sun begins to set, head to Barceloneta Beach. The golden sands and gentle Mediterranean waves are perfect for relaxing after a day of sightseeing. Barcelona also knows how to celebrate life. From flamenco shows to late-night dining, there's always something happening. Try some authentic Spanish tapas, like patatas bravas, jamón ibérico, and churros dipped in thick chocolate. What makes Barcelona amazing for first-time visitors is that you can enjoy world-class attractions, beautiful beaches, and delicious food, all in one city. If you're enjoying this journey through Europe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Which of these cities would you visit first? Paris, Rome, Amsterdam, or Barcelona? Comment below, I'd love to know your pick. 5. Prague, Czech Republic, the fairy tale city of Europe. Prague feels like stepping into a storybook. With its Gothic towers, cobblestone streets, and stunning views of the Vltava River, it's often called Europe's fairy tale city. For first-time travelers, it's a dream come true, beautiful, affordable, and full of charm. Start at Old Town Square, where you'll find the famous astronomical clock, one of the oldest functioning clocks in the world. Every hour, crowds gather to watch the clock come to life as its figures move in perfect rhythm. From there, stroll across Charles Bridge, a 14th century masterpiece lined with statues and street musicians. Prague Castle, perched high above the city, offers panoramic views and centuries of royal history. Inside, you'll find the majestic St. Vitus Cathedral, which looks especially magical during the winter months. For food lovers, Prague offers hearty Czech dishes like goulash, roast pork, and trdelník, a warm, sweet pastry that's a favorite among visitors. What makes Prague a top pick for first-time travelers is how compact and walkable it is. You can explore the entire city center on foot, taking in the medieval architecture, cozy cafes, and romantic river views. Plus, the city is surprisingly budget-friendly compared to Western Europe, a great choice if you're traveling on a modest budget. If you've ever wanted to visit a European city that looks like it came straight from a Christmas card, Prague should be at the top of your list. And if you're loving this video so far, subscribe right now so you won't miss our next travel countdown. Vienna, Austria, the city of music and elegance, Vienna is where history and sophistication meet. Known as the City of Music, it's the birthplace of legends like Mozart, Beethoven, and Strauss. But beyond its musical heritage, Vienna is a dream for travelers who appreciate beauty, culture, and calm sophistication. For first-time visitors, start your adventure at Schönbrunn Palace, the former summer residence of the Habsburg emperors. Its sprawling gardens and lavish rooms will transport you back to a time of royal splendor. Then head to St. Stephen's Cathedral, one of Vienna's most recognizable landmarks. Vienna's coffeehouse culture is also a must experience. Locals have been gathering in elegant cafes for centuries, sipping coffee while reading newspapers or chatting quietly. Visit Café Central or Damal, where time seems to slow down and every dessert looks like a work of art. During the winter, Vienna transforms into one of the most magical Christmas destinations in Europe. The Vienna Christmas market in front of City Hall glows with lights, decorations, and the smell of warm mulled wine. For music lovers, catching a live orchestra or opera performance at the Vienna State Opera is a moment you'll never forget. Vienna is also safe, clean, and easy to navigate, making it ideal for solo travelers or families visiting Europe for the first time. If you're loving this countdown, Take a quick moment to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's dreaming about traveling to Europe next year. Let's keep exploring. Budapest, Hungary, the city of thermal baths and nightlights. Few cities are as breathtaking as Budapest when seen from above at night. The lights reflecting on the Danube River, the grand architecture, and the lively atmosphere make it one of Europe's most underrated gems. For first-time travelers, Budapest offers a perfect balance of relaxation and excitement. The city is divided by the Danube into Buda and Pest, each with its own unique charm. Start your journey at Buda Castle, where you'll find panoramic views of the city and river. Then head to Fisherman's Bastion, a stunning terrace with fairy tale-like towers and the best views of the Parliament building. When it's time to unwind, Budapest's thermal baths are a must. The Széchenyi thermal bath is one of the largest in Europe. Imagine soaking in warm mineral waters surrounded by Baroque architecture while snow gently falls outside. At night, the city comes alive with energy. You can explore ruin bars, old abandoned buildings turned into quirky pubs full of lights, art, and music. It's one of the most unique nightlife experiences in Europe. Budapest is also budget-friendly and easy to get around, making it a great stop for first-timers who want culture without the high costs of Western Europe. Which of these cities would you love to visit first? Barcelona, Prague, Vienna, or Budapest? Tell us in the comments. And remember, if you're finding this guide helpful, subscribe now to Travel with Damal Consult for more world travel inspiration every week. 8. Lisbon, Portugal, the city of 7 hills and sunshine. Lisbon is one of those cities that instantly warms your heart. With its pastel-colored buildings, stunning viewpoints and delicious pastries, it's a top choice for first-time travelers who want a relaxed European experience full of charm. Lisbon's beauty lies in its simplicity. You can start your adventure in the Alfama district, the city's oldest neighborhood, where narrow lanes twist up the hills and traditional fado music drifts from open windows at night. Ride the historic Tram 28, which takes you past Lisbon's most iconic landmarks. It's like a sightseeing tour through time. For incredible views, visit Miradouro da Senhora do Monte, one of the best lookout points in Lisbon. From there, the red rooftops and blue river stretch out endlessly before you. Lisbon is also a city for food lovers. Don't leave without tasting pastéis de nata, the famous Portuguese custard tarts that pair perfectly with a cup of strong coffee. You can find the best ones at Pastéis de Belém, a bakery that's been serving them for over 180 years. Lisbon's weather is another big plus. Even in December, you can enjoy mild temperatures and plenty of sunshine, unlike many other European capitals. For day trips, you can visit Sintra, a nearby fairy tale town filled with colorful palaces and lush gardens. Lisbon combines history, food, affordability, and friendliness, making it a hidden gem for first-time visitors who want a slower, more soulful experience. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with someone who's planning to visit Europe in 2026. Let's help more travelers discover the magic of these beautiful cities. 9. England, the city of heritage and modern glamour. London is a city that effortlessly blends history with modern life. For many travelers, it's the perfect starting point for a European adventure, easy to navigate, full of world-class attractions and bursting with energy. Start your journey at Buckingham Palace, where you can watch the changing of the guard ceremony, a must-see for first-time visitors. From there, stroll through Westminster Abbey and take in the views of Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. For a modern twist, head to the London Eye or the Shard for breathtaking panoramic views of the city. London's diverse culture is reflected in its food. You can enjoy everything from classic British fish and chips to Indian curries, Nigerian jollof rice, or Chinese dim sum in Chinatown. If you love museums, you'll be spoiled for choice. The British Museum, Natural History Museum, and Tate Modern are all free to visit and packed with fascinating exhibits. When you need a break from sightseeing, relax in Hyde Park or Regent's Park, where locals come to jog, picnic, or simply enjoy the fresh air. And of course, London is a shopper's paradise. From Oxford Street to Camden Market, there's something for every style and budget. London is also one of the most connected cities in the world, making it easy to explore other European destinations by train or short flights. If you've always dreamed of visiting London, drop a comment below and tell us which landmark you'd love to see first. And if you're new here, subscribe so you won't miss our next travel videos about Europe's hidden gems. 10. Dubrovnik, Croatia, the pearl of the Adriatic. Dubrovnik might just be Europe's most stunning coastal city. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, it's famous for its ancient walls, breathtaking sea views and golden sunsets that will leave you speechless. If you're visiting Europe for the first time and want somewhere that feels peaceful yet full of adventure, Dubrovnik is the perfect choice. Start your journey by walking along the old town walls, where you'll be rewarded with sweeping views of the sea and terracotta rooftops. The entire old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, filled with marble streets, historic churches, and charming cafes. Fans of Game of Thrones will instantly recognize Dubrovnik. It served as the filming location for King's Landing. You can even take a guided tour to see where some of the most famous scenes were filmed. For a relaxing escape, take the cable car up to Mount Surge, where you'll get panoramic views of the city and nearby islands. Or take a boat trip to Lokrum Island, a peaceful spot perfect for swimming and nature walks. Dubrovnik's crystal-clear waters, Mediterranean cuisine, and romantic old-world charm make it a once-in-a-lifetime experience for any traveler. If you're planning your first European trip and want somewhere quiet but unforgettable, Dubrovnik is waiting for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel inspiration every week on Travel with Damal Consult. And that wraps up our list of the best cities in Europe for first-time travelers in 2026. From the romance of Paris and the ancient wonders of Rome, to the fairy tale charm of Prague and the seaside beauty of Dubrovnik, each of these cities offers something truly magical for travelers taking their first step into Europe. Whether you're drawn to history, food, architecture, or adventure, Europe welcomes you with open arms. So start planning your dream trip now. 2026 is your year to explore. Before you go, take a second to like this video, subscribe to Travel with Damal Consult, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos about budget travel, hidden gems, and unforgettable travel experiences around the world. And of course, let's make this video interactive. Drop a comment below and tell us which European city you'd love to visit first in 2026. Your comment might just inspire our next video. Until next time, this is Travel with Damal Consult, helping you discover the world, one destination at a time. See you in the next video.